Hi, I'm Toby Yoon. I am the founder and executive director of ColoClean. I am a biomedical engineering major, a chemistry minor, and I'm studying pre-med and entrepreneurship here at the University of Utah, and I live at LaSonde Studios. ColoClean is an alternative colonoscopy preparation kit. There are 22.4 million colonoscopies that are performed annually in the United States alone. But of those 22.4 million, 25% of those patients come in with their colons not prepped properly. It just sort of inspired me to figure out why that was happening, why maybe it was the gastroenterologist, maybe it was the tools they were using, and it just so happened to be that the problem was actually the prep. And it's not necessarily the patients, but just the fact that the system was so unpleasant and broken for the patient. I've condensed that sort of laxative powder that you mix into the solution into these tablets right here. And also a set of, smaller laxatives as well. I'm just trying to condense that into as easy as possible for a laxative for you to consume. It's not going to be pleasant either way, but it's much easier to take a pill than to swallow it in solution. So the entire point of ColoClean in itself was to turn colonoscopy as sort of this very scary procedure into something that was very approachable and calming and not quite so intimidating for the patients. And that translated a lot to me using sort of that digital software that the University of Utah provided me with to make the kit more aesthetically and visually less intimidating to the patient.